Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's your girl, your sister, Happy Prince Vlogs. Please, if today is your first time coming across my video or coming across my channel, please just subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. As you do, may God bless you. And to my whole subscriber, I love you all. Thanks and God bless you all. I get little Ogbogen story when I want to talk about. Guess what? Now about PDP and APC. When I watch the video, then come back, I come knock him as it be.
Okay, hello, man. From Edo State. I'm right here with some of those that were injured today by some thugs. I was sent by His Excellency Mr. Godwin Obaseki. It's alleged to be so already to attack them because they are supporting the aspiration of Pastor Osagie Ezeamu, and it all happened in the front of the Upper Palace. As you can see, these are things from this attack of today. See them, they are well injured. I don't know if this is real politics, you know. So one of them is going to talk to us right now about what really occurred. You can imagine this. You can imagine that. Okay, please. What really occurred? They choose you.
3 times na go make I know now they use cutlass. Now Mutari do am, Mutari Ebostone. Now do am, I see them face to face.
We are surprised. We've never seen this kind of election, this kind of politics before in the history of Edo State. Even right in the front of our father, front of the palace of Oba, they came. We never knew. They said they are having a flag off today at the stadium. What now concerns them with the Oba Palace that we are supposed to, our candidates coming to receive a blessing of our Oba? That was when some gunmen, including Mutari, Ebostone, Tonko, and their boys, they came, started shooting sporadically to everybody.
By God for them.
We don't know if this is how they do election. This is just the beginning. I don't know whether on that election day they will come with grenade and dynamite to come and kill the entire Edo people. In the presence of police, a governor who is supposed to be a security to guide these people. The governor now buy guns for thugs, hooligans to come and kill these people. Is that the kind of governor? Is that the kind of governor we want? No. We can, no matter what, even if we're not going to relent, even if we are the last person on earth in this Benin, we will say no to his leadership. The way he's trying to take the state is taking Edo State to, we will not accept it. And by the special grace of God, we will fight this battle to the end. This is just the beginning.
The great of Edo people, the great of Edo people, the great of Edo people, great. Man, today surprising, we are in the Oba Palace. Our Oba is doing naming ceremony. We surprised our PDP people that are doing their own rally. All our surprise to us, they now brought better gun. They now start to shooting everybody. This is the thing that have not happened in the history of Benin before. Since my father was born in this Benin, they have never shoot gun in Oba Palace. I'm surprised that God in Obaseki, Obaseki is the governor of Edo State. He now brought the tours. They now be shooting gun in the palace, in Oba Palace. You have never seen this kind of thing before in Benin.
Bloodshed in the palace, bloodshed in the palace, bloodshed in the palace.
May Buhari come, may God interfere for waiting the happen so for Edo State. I beg, we beg the people of Edo State. Waiting happen so never happen before for Benin. Never happened before. I beg, just see God.
They do the government, no respect for Oba. They come here, they shoot old women. Shoot children, shoot everybody. Scatter mama, no back and down.
Okay, go ahead.
As decent people of Edo State, we must say no to election violence. We must say no to thuggery. We must say no as youths to politicians using us as thugs to oppress other youths of this great states. So on this note, we will say no to oppression because you can see you have just done body harm to people who are because they are supporting somebody. You know, these people they have rights to freedom of association, freedom of expression, freedom of speech and everything. So you cannot give them body harm because they are supporting a particular candidate, because they are not supporting you and all of that. So on this note, we should ask Edo people to kindly take this message to His Excellency, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, for him to know that these people, they will not relent. Even though they are injured them, they will not relent to support the aspiration of Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you.
So guys, as una don watch this video now, so we can talk as we see am, make we can sit down on top am, make we can talk am, make we can yasha as we see am. So guys, wetin me see for this matter be say, na the truth let me want talk. Nothing but the truth let me want talk. Oshomole, you do mistake. You say you do mistake, and me to say. You not do mistake, oh. Edo emi na when I walk back ho, and another here is or say, I be waiting you too. You dey hear me? Because you say you regret why you carry Obaseki eta governor. The time when is the when they do the first election, when be say Ize-Iyamu na win. You do wuru, you carry Obaseki enter because you want to do Godfather. Say no to Godfather, my citizen, my Nigeria citizen, my fellow citizen. Say no to Godfather. Because why ain't go come open mouth come they talk and say he regrets? You not regret them. Because you be one come sit down, they control and they chop Edo State money, but God not grieve for you. God not grieve for you. Let me call the talk and say you regret. All those boys when they say they go palace, now say una go palace, they invite una for palace. All these Nigeria Agberu citizens will get. Oba write letter can't give una say newborn pikin. He want me una come. Oba write letter can't give una. And una know so una candidate no they go there that day. Wait una go fine. No find trouble. Me no they support bad thing. Una know say na Obaseki they go there that day. Una can't go there. Go stay for gate. Wait una they fine. If not be trouble, una they fine. Una not let anybody they use now because of how much. When they sell una destiny. When they sell una future. How much they want share give una. If they win now, they don't go know now tomorrow again. Or waiting me no be say, may Obaseki complete 4 years, make it come on there, make Ize-Iyamu enter. Now waiting me see, make it complete 8 years. If 8 years complete, Ize-Iyamu go take over. Now waiting me see for there. No, if let me be Ize-Iyamu safe, if not be say that Ize-Iyamu safe, you know they think twice. You will be saying that your vote, your destiny, then they carry give another person. And the person will carry your destiny, give another person, it still come and second the thought scam. You not stay clear, and the person constantly they help you the campaign. You not go run for that kind of person. That kind of friend, you not go run for him. Person will be say he say your destiny out. It comes now, you can't draw you near body again. Can't they campaign for you. That kind of person, you no go run for him. Now what if you want to do Obaseki? Now you go still do you if you enter there. So my brother Ize-Iyamu, so have patience. Let's look Obaseki finish 8 years, then you take over. Now what me see there? This election, man, not use fight, man, not use death do one. Wait me see there because Oshomole do it 8 years. Someone a let Obaseki do 8 years, make come on there, make Ize-Iyamu take over. Wait till me get to talk because all those words when Oshomole they talk, he regret. Why he not go regret? Because he be say, and if he put Obaseki there, he go they do, he go sit down, he go they control, go that money, go bring, he not see and chop. Now be body when they pepper Oshomole funa no. Oshomole when you destroy Edo State, why you don't destroy Aunchi? Edo State people, Edo State citizens. Una no go wise. Una go wise. No, still do mumu. No, one say say una future. Eh? when I call my mother, then my mother they tell me say I do hour they get light now 6 hours before they go season 6 hours. I say wow. I do hour before me say they dim if they bring light the before you know 15 minutes they don't take can. So when I let Obaseki make it rule 8 years, make it come out there all those things we never do finish, make it do and make it come out there, make on Izeyamu take over. Now wait till me see there. Election not be do or die affair. We don't not do like Lagos people. We don't not do like Kogi. Those state not be Kogi. Those state not be Lagos. Now wait till me see you. And all this our Agberu boys. When some people they ask them. Some people say they say they get degree enemy. I don't know for them. Me I not go. I go soon I get degree. I go they talk like person will be say the medulla and oblongata in not day head. In not day. Una go say una go school. But the word when they come out for na they interview na rubbish. Oshomole use they deceive una they clap, they follow one. They use una. You not get sense. Oshomole when be say he carry another person destiny, give another person. Now you want collect the destiny, can't give the person back. Is that going to possible, my Edo State people? It cannot be possible. That one not feel people. It not feel possible. It not feel possible. If let me be there, I go run for that Oshomole sharp. I go run for him. I go run for Oshomole. For waiting, even waiting to me, Kabaka still use the mouth talk say, waiting the one boy when they sit at view, they use their mouth to say, na Izeyamu na get time, they can't carry and give Obaseki. Izeyamu, you need to have sense. You need to run for Oshomole. That short devil, that short man like me, you need to run for him. Na devil. Because person will feel do all those kind of things now. Now you want to decide you now, make it still do another one again. Those state people no go wise. Wetin me no be say make una vote Obaseki make it enter there. After Obaseki don rule 8 years comot there, Izeyamu go take over. Now wetin me see there for this matter be that. Now wetin me come to talk be that. My Nigeria citizen, my Edo State citizen, make una shine una eye. Make una know mumu as una fete mumu for Jonathan versus Buhari o. When Buhari now they rule 5 years now, nothing. Now so now open eye down, Buhari go good, Buhari go good, Buhari go good. Make Buhari come enter, make we come out Jonathan. Later on, I come they regret am. Mona get sense. Everything what Obaseki does start, all the project, Mona let am finish am before I come out for there. Then another person go take over again. Now wetin me see there oh, make una shine una eye for this vote. And all those boys when they talk say they go kill God, no go. That is una plan. God go turn una plan to nothing. We no fit spoil that Edo State for our band. Oba talk where he say. We no fit spoil that Edo State for our band. No one can turn Oba to bad person. All those Agberu boys when people they work for politicians. We no fit spoil that Edo State for Oba hand. Una power no go work. Anyway, on our plan and God no go let them work. Say that day na do or die. Anyway, on the plan and God no go let them work. Wetin me no mona let them finish 8 years. Then Izeyamu go take over. Now wetin me see there. No let Oshomole come they deceive now. Come they tell una say he regret. Wetin they regret for? Wetin Oshomole they regret for? Not be if cause the problem. Wetin they regret? Not be carry Obaseki come. Now person when you thief he votes now. Now you want to support now. Izeyamu, you need to run for your dear life. For where Oshomole did. If I were you, Oshomole can never be my friend. He can never be my friend for all those things when I dey hear. Even though we did the same party, he go be my worst enemy. Person will fit take my destiny. Carry give another person later now. Because they talk and they come outside. If I know, no, you will be my worst enemy till there. So now wetin I get to talk be that one o. So make una let Obaseki finish in 8 years so that Ize Iyamu go take over. So now wetin me see all those boys when they go palace, when they no invite una, when they no invite una, make una no dey go there, make una sit down for una house, make una go dey look for job. Agberu no be work, selling of votes no be work, selling of your future no be work. When Ize Iyamu dey do campaign, no any PDP people go dey disturb una. So make una sit down for where contain una. My Nigeria citizen, my Edo citizen, those people, make una open una eye, make una vote for the correct person, make una vote for PDP, make una vote for Obaseki may finish, because the reason why me they talk because na Oshomule na do all the bad thing, na carry Obaseki come, na lie. So muna let Obaseki finish 8 years. If he finish and go commode the Ize Iyamu go take over. Now wetin me see there o. So guys, now wetin I come tell una today na be that. Na Edo people, make una open una eye well. Make una no listen to wetin Oshomule dey talk o. Because if una listen to wetin Oshomule dey talk, una go regret. Una go regret. I think I dey tell una go regret why. So now wetin I get to tell una be that one, guys. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. Thank you. May God bless you all. Please, guys, share this video. Thumbs up for me. Like this video. Share for me. Thumbs up. Like this video. Leave your comments below section there. As you watch this video, may God bless you. I love you all.